Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Olivia and James Vancouver website. So it is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of items. It offers products and clothing and different accessories for both men and women. And as you can see on the top, they have a summer sale going on, which is a flat to 50% off on all the products. And if you dive deeper, you can see like the summer sale is up to 50% discount on all the products, which raises concerns about their originality. And they have a free fast shipping in all over the Canada. So I try to search for this company to look for it, and let's check out what's the authentic news about their website. So once I try to search for it, I got to know that their domain name is actually protected by the HTTPS protocol, which means like their payment method is authentic and they cannot do any scam in that because it is protected by the HTTPS. So you can safely purchase the items from this product. As you can see, like the items and the pictures uploaded on this platform are really of good quality. And on the bottom of their website, they have added few of the customer reviews of the persons who have bought the different items from this platform, and these reviews are actually really positive, but we never know if these are the authentic one. So now let's dive a little bit more deeper. As you can see on the footer, they have provided you with the email to contact them and to get the contact customer support. And if I try to search about the reviews of their customer support, I just got to know their customer support service is really good, so which is a really good sign. So in conclusion, I would say like this platform is a genuine and you can buy products from this one, but it's always recommended to discuss it with someone who have already bought different products from this website. So I hope this reviews were helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product or platform, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope to see you in the next one.